Today's plan is pretty much work, 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 work. Hi guys, good morning. It's Wednesday. I think it's 10 in the morning. Miss Ted and I slept for about I think 7 or 8 hours. Yeah. Hindi ako naka-duty sa work. Naka-duty ako for 2 hours pero hindi ko siya natapos kasi naglalo ko yung net tapos hindi rin ako nakatulog ng maayos yesterday. So anyway, right now, I'm here sa room kasi nasa baba yung PLDT. Naglolo ko talaga yung internet namin. So, nagtawag na kami for technical assistance. Anyway, today's plan is pretty much work, 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 work. Yes. Tatapos ng work. Tapos, ang dami-dami kong project na gustong matapos. Malapit ko na matapos yung vlog I'm creating this vlog for aspiring work from home moms. So, I'll just put the link here. There. If you want to learn how to work from home, just like me and 10,000 other moms out there, feel free to check the blog. And then after that, I also wanna have a small garden sa harapan namin. Nailipat ko na doon yung washing machine. Tapos, kasi gusto ko lagi mabango yung area kung saan wiwi at napoops yung mga dogs. And one other project I have in mind is yung backyard naman. I've posted a couple of vids and vlogs of me cleaning out the backyard, but I never had a chance to flowers or yung mga naitanim. Ganon. Gusto ko magtanim-tanim lang kung anik-anik mabus doon. Anyway, ngayon, I'll finish recording the last tutorial on how to work from home, and then after that I would probably go out, maniped, not sure. So yeah, actually hindi ko alam kung anong plano ko today, but I wanna, the main focus of this day is yung work namin kung kailangan mong tapusin, and then rest. That's it. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Guys, alam mo ba yung feeling ng nakakatumatnigos kasi ang init? Danas na danas siya. So anyway, 4% na lang yung bat ko. I have to upload a video, and I also need to charge, upload. Take a bath kasi gusto ko mag-start mag-work para later makapag-walking pa ako. Or, since it's Wednesday, maybe I can call Krista. Yeah, Krista and Maya, maybe we can have coffee date. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah. Ha?
Hello. Payak ko eh. Oo nga.
Mayat mo naman.
Nagda-diet nga ako. Sobrang
Sabi ng tequila mong droga. Ba't ang gaganda nyo? Ba't ang gaganda nyo sa camera? Oh. Hey guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa kubo ni Namara. Nagkwentuhan lang. But since, again, yung Wednesday coffee date namin ay censored, wala na. Hindi ko na isasama sa video clip. Anyway, I think we will go to, I'm not so sure, Pacific siguro later on. I'll just show you guys kung ano yung magawa namin.